Hey there, all you creative minds and passionate designers. Welcome to today's tutorial, where we're going to take your design skills to new heights. If you're looking to level up your text design game and bring some serious 3D magic to your projects, you're in the right place. Today, we'll show you how to transform the word graphics into a stunning 3D design using Adobe Illustrator's Blend tool, one of the most powerful features for creating smooth transitions and dynamic effects. Let's jump in and start by building our text. First, we'll create the word graphics using the Type tool, choosing a bold font that will really stand out. Once we have our basic text, the real fun begins. Now, we're going to use the Blend tool to add that 3D look by creating smooth, gradual transitions between different shapes, colors, and angles. To do this, we first need to duplicate our text. Once you have your duplicated text layers, we'll position them to represent the different perspectives of your 3D object. Think of the top, middle, and bottom layers of your 3D text. Here comes the magic. Select both text layers and go to the Blend tool, or press W, and simply click between the two layers. Illustrator will automatically generate a smooth series of intermediate steps, blending them together seamlessly. But we don't stop there. You can fine-tune the blend by adjusting the Blend tool options. Go to Object, Blend Options, where you can change the spacing between the steps. For a smoother, more continuous transition, select Smooth Color for a more organic blend. Or, to give it a sharper, more segmented look, adjust the settings to suit the style of 3D depth you want to achieve. Once you've got your 3D form in place, we can add some finishing touches. We'll apply gradients and shading to enhance the depth, making the text feel more realistic and polished. The key here is using Illustrator's Direct Selection tool and Gradient tool to manipulate each segment of your blended 3D shape until you achieve that perfect balance of light, shadow, and color. And voila! You've now transformed a simple text into a dynamic, 3D piece of graphic design using Illustrator's Blend tool. Whether you're creating logos, titles, or any other text-based designs, mastering the Blend tool will give your work that extra dimension and make your text pop off the screen. If you found this tutorial helpful and you're excited to keep building your design skills, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for more in-depth tips, tricks, and tutorials. We've got tons of creative content on the way, and we'd love for you to be part of our design community. Keep experimenting, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next video.